Have you ever wondered how your t-shirt is actually made? From cotton fields to fashion stores, this journey will surprise you. It all starts from natural cotton in the fields. Farmers carefully pick raw cotton. Cotton is cleaned and processed. Cotton is transported to the factory. Fibers are separated carefully. Cotton becomes yarn. Yarn is stored for weaving. Fabric is rolled and prepared.
Fabric absorbs color evenly.
Yarn is woven into fabric. Colors are added to fabric. Fabric is dried under air. Workers assemble t-shirts step by step. Brand labels are added. Pieces are stitched together. Designs are printed on shirts. Heat fixes the print permanently.
Fabric is cut into t-shirt shapes.
Each t-shirt is packed carefully to maintain quality. Barcodes and price tags are added. Shirts are folded neatly. Products are packed into large cartons. T-shirts arrive at retail stores. Delivery complete. Cartons are stored in the warehouse.
Boxes are loaded for delivery. Shipping shuru.
The journey to stores begins. Customers choose their favorite designs. They are displayed for customers. Each shirt is carefully checked. From cotton to fashion, this is the journey of your t-shirt.